Options trading can be risky and lead to mind-blowing losses, but if you still want to continue, trading NDX options is a great way to generate real money fast. Fast as in under 20 seconds. What you are looking at is a screen recording taken on January 9th, 2024, shortly after market open at 9:30 a.m. New York time. This video is about 5 minutes long, but the trade itself happens in under 20 seconds, but we will get back to that later. Now, for some of you who don't know, NDX is the NASDAQ 100 index. This index represents the top 100 tech stocks in the market. It is big, expensive, and moves a lot. I mean, just look at the wide bid-ask spreads. They are generally $200 to $300 wide. All of this is why NDX is perfect for what we want to use it for: scalping, speculation, generating income, and sometimes hedging. Because NDX is constantly moving, you don't actually have to wait long. Once you place your buy order and it gets filled, you will instantly be up or down anywhere from a couple tens of dollars to hundreds of dollars almost immediately. What I like to do is catch falling knives, meaning I set my buy orders below bid prices and try to time bounces. Because the bid ask is so wide, if you get filled and the market reverses or goes in your favor, you can quickly resell it for a small profit or hold out longer for more upside. I like to compare and contrast the NASDAQ and the S&P 500 index. Usually they move hand in hand. Sometimes one lags the other or has a bad day, but for the most part, if the S&P starts rising, the NASDAQ will too. Now, back to the screen recording. You can see that I am watching NDX options quote on the options chain. I also have a watch list containing SPY, SPX, which is the S&P 500's option equivalent of NDX, QQQ, and NDX. What I see is that the S&P seems to be dropping a lot more than NASDAQ. So what I'm thinking is either NASDAQ will drop hard to match the S&P, or it will rise very fast as the S&P reverses and slowly starts to make up ground. So the play going in is to buy and quickly sell, because I have no idea which way will go. Last week the market kept falling. Yesterday, which was the start of the brand new trading week, it kept rising. My strategy is to buy strikes with $5 increments to preserve day trades if need be. We're looking at NDX January 10th, 16,625 calls, which are trading at about $36 at the midpoint. I don't want an easy fill. I always want to buy into the drop. So by setting my buy price at $34.70, I want NDX to drop a little more before hopefully bouncing back up so I can sell it.
Opening order filled.
And the seller sold me the contract for $34.70. The value of the contract is $90 less than I paid for it, as NDX has dropped 3 points. I am now trying to sell it for $36.
Closing order filled.
And there it is, the bounce we wanted. Our contract was bought for $36 when NDX bounced 4 points. If you blinked, you would have missed it. That's how fast it can happen. The trade earned us $130. We paid Interactive Brokers $1.30 per transaction. Buying and selling is 2 transactions, so $2.60. Our profit for this trade, which took 18 seconds to complete, is $127.40 after commission. We earned 3.6% from this trade. Not bad when the average checking account is paying 7% or less in interest per year. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Also join our newsletter for daily reads on the market, our trades, predictions, and analysis. What makes us different from the others is that we are 100% transparent. You will see every transaction that occurs and can verify it yourself. As a subscriber, you can also earn real money for every $500 in profit that we earn in a day. For more information, click the link on the screen or read below in the description. Lastly, this video is meant for entertainment purposes and is not financial advice. Please do your own research or contact a licensed fiduciary financial planner to assist you with any financial related questions and goals that you may have. This video was created and is owned by the patient idiot. All rights reserved.